Every maker's workspace is different. So what's the right size for you? KitchenAid stand mixers come in several sizes. The Artisan Mini Stand Mixer packs amazing power into a tiny footprint. It fits in nearly any space and stores easily. Also, its 3-and-a-half-quart bowl is ideal for making smaller batches, about 5 dozen cookies. If you're working with a smaller space or cooking for a small family, the Artisan Mini is the perfect stand mixer choice. The next sizes up are the Classic and the Artisan Stand Mixers. These iconic mixers are great for families and everyday makers. Many choose the Classic Stand Mixer, which comes standard with a 4-and-a-half-quart bowl. You can also choose to upgrade to an Artisan Series mixer, the most popular KitchenAid mixer model, which comes with a standard 5-quart bowl. If you're trying to please a crowd or just need some extra strength, the Bowl Lift Stand Mixer is stable enough to handle it all. 5, 6, or 7-quart bowl sizes mean you can go big, like entire bake sale big. And the Bowl Lift Stand Mixer is designed with durability in mind, meaning it's strong enough to take on heavy ingredients. Finally, the Pro Line Stand Mixer takes that same stable bowl lift design and boosts the power for professional style mixing. This is our most powerful home mixer. It comes standard with a 7-quart bowl, empowering you to create giant batches. No matter which mixer you choose, you can unlock more kitchen creativity with any of these amazing attachments. Start making more today at KitchenAid.com.